Duane and our dog Duke, and I am Deana. We are weekend warriors and travel in our 29-foot fifth wheel. So come and enjoy the journey with us. We are the best of us, the Floros.
So we've heard a whole lot about electric bikes. We finally have invested in two bikes that we are thrilled about. The Aventons are two bikes that just captured our attention. We've been nothing but pleased with these bikes since we've done some research on them. We picked them up out riding them this afternoon in this beautiful weather around the valley, and we can't say enough about them. Deana has one that's listed as small to medium. Mine is medium to large. Comfortable. Plenty of power, plenty of battery charge. We picked up some nifty little baskets for the back for us to be able to carry on here. Deana upgraded the seat and some other features we could add to it as we go along. And we are thrilled to death if you're looking for a good electric bike. So some folks have asked why we chose these over some of the other bikes, the rad bikes and things like that. Personally, I like a full-size bike. It feels a little more comfortable. And so we were able to get the full-size bike with all the things that go with that, and able to get these for under $1,700 a piece. A little pricier than some of the others, but definitely worth the investment. A couple of the excellent features about these bikes are the front shocks that give you a little more stability. And so as we've looked at them, one of the things was the distance. These will go up to 40 to 45 miles between charges, which was something that was important to us as we're out and about. Very easy to disconnect the batteries, plug them in at our home or wherever we might be, and recharge for another 40-45 miles. And the nice thing is too, they have some speed to them, so you got to make sure it doesn't get away from you, but they'll go 28 miles an hour if you so choose to do that. This also has gears. A couple of the bikes we looked at, electric bikes, did not have the selection of gears. This also gives you that option should it you require or just need to be pedaling, want to change gears on it. The Aventons come with the gear selection as well.
Well, we hope you enjoyed Kokosing Gap Trail as we really took a ride with our new bikes.
Love our bikes.
We love them. Thumbs up for sure.
Yes.
For these bikes. We went, what, about 6 miles total?
I think it was 100, 200 miles easy.
And we didn't get out of pedal one assist, and most of the time we didn't even use the pedal assist. We have gears, so
Yes.
we use those. We love them.
Beautiful day, good breeze while you're going along the trail. Beautiful trails here.
Yeah, and you can see the incredible scenery. So we hope you enjoy it. We hope you subscribe if you like our videos, and usually do that.
Give the thumbs up.
Just ring the bell. So we'll see you next time.
Bye now.